In this video, I will show you how to factory delete games on Xbox Series S. So let's jump straight into it. So here we are, as you can see, on the Xbox dashboard. Now the first thing you're going to want to do is of course locate the game that you want to delete. So in this example, I'm just going to use Crash Bandicoot. Now what you want to do once you located the game is press the start button on your controller to bring up a menu like this. And from here, you're going to want to come down and press onto manage game and add-ons. Now you've got a few different options from here, but to go ahead and actually factory delete your game on the Xbox Series S, all you need to do is come to the left hand side and go ahead and select the uninstall option from here. So what you want to do is press A onto this, and it's going to come up with a quick confirmation saying you're about to uninstall whichever game it is you want to uninstall. This includes any add-ons, and you can reinstall at any time, at home or on someone else's console. So all you would do is press the uninstall button. What you also want to make sure is that you delete any save progress. So if you do decide to reinstall the game, of course if you want to fully factory delete it, you're going to need to delete your saved progress. So to do that from this screen, if you go down, you can see the saved data option here. Just go ahead and press onto that, and then what you want to do is select it, delete all, and then it's going to ask if you want to delete all saved data on this console. So of course what you would do is select delete all to completely delete saved data, and then uninstall the game fully using the uninstall option from here. So by doing those two things, what you're going to do is completely factory delete the game on your Xbox Series S. So that is how to go ahead and factory delete games on an Xbox Series S. I hope this tutorial did help you out today, and if it did, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.